Okay, but rest assured, I'm not gonna show you every single thing I'm gonna do. Okay, but I'm gonna show you enough to make it so that you know that you can do it too. Okay, I'll get this all cleaned up, and I have. It was funny. I had these in the bucket when I first started. I got my trimmers, my stiff putty knife. I got just a little garden shovel, my hammer and stuff. I had to use the hammer to pull up the little staples that held the weed block down and all that. And so I'll get done cleaning this up, and I'll talk about the next step. What is the next step? What am I going to do next? So forth and so on. Okay. Hey, be right back. Stick with me if you want to learn more so you can save money around the house.